Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo sahabat Tami, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I would like to invite all of you to read a text with the title Elementary Materials. Okay, what we are waiting for, let's start. Today, I will not invite you to answer a question or to understanding about materials. Now, I just want to invite all of you to read the text. Okay, let's start it. Elementary particles. In physics, particles that cannot be broken down into any other particles are called elementary particles. The term elementary particles also is used more loosely to include some subatomic particles that are composed of other particles. Particles that cannot be broken further are sometimes called fundamental particles to avoid confusion. These fundamental particles provide the basic unit that make up all matter and energy in the universe. Scientists and philosophers have sought to identify and study elementary particles since ancient times. Aristotle and other ancient Greek philosophers believed that all things were composed of four elementary materia: fire, water, air, and earth. People in other ancient cultures developed similar notions of basic substance. As early scientists began collecting and analyzing information about the world, they showed that these materials were not fundamental, but were made of other substance. In the 1800 British physicist John Dalton was so sure he had identified the most basic object that he called them atoms, Greek for indivisible. By the early 1900, scientists were able to break apart these atoms into particles that they called the electron and the nucleus. Electrons surround the dense nucleus of an atom. In the 1930s, researchers showed that the nucleus consists of smaller particles called the proton and the neutron. Today, scientists have evidence that the proton and neutron are themselves made up of even smaller particles called quarks. Scientists now believe that quarks and three other types of particles, leptons, force-carrying bosons, and the Higgs bosons, are truly fundamental and cannot be split into anything smaller. In the 1960s, American physicists Steven Weinberg and Sheldon Glashow and the Pakistani physicist Abdus Salam developed a mathematical description of nature and behavior of elementary particles. Their theory, known as the Standard Model of Particle Physics, has greatly advanced understanding of the fundamental particles and the force in the universe. Yet some questions about particles remain unanswered by the Standard Model, and the physicists continue to work toward a theory that will explain even more about particles. Okay, that is the text that we are read in this section. So thanks for all of your attention, and see you sahabat Tami. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.